Chloe, and we are at Trinidad Beach. Just exploring, taking time for ourselves. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's a little after 3:30. You can see the sun's up there. I like to look at, there's millions and millions of these, they're mussels and mollusks. I don't know what that's a huge one right there. I don't know what it would cost or what you need to do to harvest them. So I'm not going to pick them, but they're all live. And there's millions of them on the rocks, like over there. They're anywhere that the rocks are exposed from the tide, because the tide is out right now. It's slowly coming back in. So you can see you got kids playing. I'm going to turn around here because Chloe went around my feet. But it's a beautiful, beautiful beach. Trinidad Beach, Trinidad, California. I am, yes, of course, wearing flip-flops. The water, not too bad, a little chilly. So we're just gonna do some exploration here. See what we can see. See all kinds of life here. And sometimes you can find like little starfish. I guess there's some tide pools here somewhere. I haven't been able to locate them, but we'll see what we can find. You can see if we look here real close. Lots of mussels, lots of mollusks, barnacles. Oh, I wish I could pick them. I love mussels. They're amazing. But I need to research that in the harvesting process. So I'm in kosher with the laws, you know. Anyway, it is a beautiful day. So I was wanting to share, like, I kind of feel a little lonely as, you know, it's thinking about the ex, so I don't want to go back to him. It's no good news. But then I see a lot of people who are happy in their relationships. I really don't have a relationship or anybody I want to start a relationship with. And it makes it kind of difficult. But if you look at that, that's pretty cool. I think those are mollusks, but I'm not sure. I'm not a marine biologist or anything like that. Pretty cool. And like when you turn on the radio and you hear a song. This is like a significant little island right here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. When you turn on that radio and that specific song comes on, that brings memories back, and brings a tear to your eye, and makes you second guess yourself. It's like, how do you overcome that? Sure, I would like to meet somebody nice. Do I necessarily want to date somebody? No. Maybe just be a friend with somebody. Different on this one. Chloe might get a little excited. And all kinds of kids playing. It's a starfish, everybody. Look at that. See, that's a starfish. Let's see if I can put that out a little bit. There we go. That's really awesome. Water is a little cold, so I'm not going to get in there. That's a starfish. That's pretty cool. And thousands and thousands of mussels and mollusks. I am gonna have to learn where I can go. I think it's Fish and Wildlife. I can go find where I can harvest these. And if I can harvest them here, then I'm gonna come back here and harvest. You see, all of those are mussels too. They're huge. They're as big as my hand. And the tide is coming in. But that's a starfish. That's awesome. I would call that above ground tide pool. If there's any others over here. Anyway, it just brings back. You see that starfish?
What?
There's a starfish over here.
Oh, that's cool.
Here, I'll show you.
I gotta go.
It's that right there. That orange thing?
Yeah.
That's a starfish. Kids. Anyway. So what I was trying to say is, I do feel lonely sometimes. I'm finding ways to overcome that. Sometimes it's harder certain days. I don't know if anybody else who's gone through a bad breakup, if they're still single, if they're still going through emotions. What did I do wrong? Why is it always my fault, it seems? When in reality, it really wasn't my fault. I mean, we both brought baggage to the relationship. I had bad relationships, he had bad relationships. And the sad thing is, he chose to put all this stuff on me. Therefore, I felt alone. I felt trapped. I felt taken advantage of. I was working 152 hours a week at any given time. But when I chose to let some of those hours go, it's like that's where our problems began. And it fell from there. I am now at a place where, I don't know if I want to cross right here or not. It's kind of cool little street right up there. Might go up there and around. It's kind of cool. I don't know how deep that is, so we're not going to chance it. This must be a clear freshwater creek that flows into the ocean. We'll see if we can cross it here somewhere. See where Chloe might feel more comfortable if they go here. Might have to go over. Yeah, I'm gonna pick her up real quick. Bear with me. There's a pool. Alright. Here's our pickup. We're just gonna board the bus. Yes. They are closing this little freshwater stream that leads them to the ocean. Right down there is good. That's we go. So with that, what I'm trying to say is, yes, I want a relationship. Yes, I want to meet somebody. I want to meet somebody, I guess, on my terms, basically. I don't want to get hurt again, though meeting somebody doesn't always determine if we're going to get hurt or not. They can't be scared. However, I do not want to go backwards in relationships. I do not want to go back to him. Though the urge, the desire, yes, is there to go back. But it's not healthy. And I don't want to do that. So if any of you are dealing with the same thoughts, the same feelings, emotions, please let me know. Isn't this beautiful? Trinidad Beach. I have Chloe on the leash. She can be off the leash here, but there's just too much and I am recording. So I just want to keep her on. I don't know if there's other dogs. Sometimes people don't always control their dogs. That's kind of cool. That's really cool. That's awesome. And then there's that little island over there. So with that, I'm trying to just to say I am feeling lonely, but I'm learning as the days go by, more so the months, how to deal with it, how to manage it, how to handle it, I guess. Cope would be another term. Chloe. However, it's hard. It's hard. And again, those silly country songs, those silly couples you see holding hands, happy as can be, when it didn't seem like that long ago you're holding hands with somebody. So yeah, it pulls up heartstrings. Anyway, I'm gonna get off here soon. So I just wanted to chit chat about feeling lonely and reliving or tempted to go back to past relationships, which I do not want to do that. So please like, subscribe, leave me a positive comment, and yeah, we're just gonna explore here. Alright y'all, take care. And just went off to say, hello. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Loretta. There's Chloe. And we do make adventure videos. We like to explore new trails, beach. We live on a farm now with horses, so I like to share the shenanigans that happen on the farm, because you never know what you're going to run into. I also created this channel as a living diary, basically, from the breakup to help me overcome it. And I do look back on those videos, see how far I've come. And I know that a few of you have reached out to me, letting me know that it's helped you too, because you're going through the same thing or similar. I do appreciate all those that have subscribed. I need to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 639 subscribers right now, before I can go live. And then YouTube's algorithm, or however it works, wants you to have so many viewed hours. So yeah, I'm getting there. I'm getting there, guys. I love you. I appreciate you. Again, if you're new, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button, like, feel free to share. Let me know what you're doing today. Let me know if you're going through a situation like I am, because I am so feeling lonely, and I do have those temptations of going back to my ex. I don't want to do that. It would be bad. So, with that said, yeah, leave me a positive comment, and do feel free to share. Alright, I'm going to get off here. The tide is coming in. We're going to try and make it over here. Maybe we can walk over here a little bit. But anyway, Chloe, can you say hi? Chloe, can you say hi? Say hi, everyone. She's just like, I just want to go walk and explore. So with that, alright, everybody, have a good day. God bless you. I love you, and thank you.